So with the diaphragm of a warmed stethoscope, auscultate the patient's bowel sounds. These generalized clicks and gurgles reflect peristalsis and should occur irregularly 5 to 35 times per minute. Also listen for vascular sounds, such as friction rubs over the liver and spleen. These high-pitched sounds should not occur. Now switch to the bell and auscultate the epigastric area and umbilicus. In both locations, there should be no venous hum. Also use the bell to auscultate the aorta, renal arteries, iliac arteries, and femoral arteries. Over the vessels, you should hear no bruits.